Hey everybody, this is Ryan, and if you're looking for a car battery or motorcycle or lawnmower battery charger or tender or something to fix either one of those batteries, this video is for you. So this is the product HTRC, and this is a 3 amp, 6 volt or 12 volt battery charger, but it does a couple different things, and I'm going to share them in this video. So this company reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you give us an overview? Can you share what exactly our battery charger does? Who might say no, but no way whatsoever it's being provided to me. Affect this review, because I'm just here to keep it real. This is a riding lawnmower from an example standpoint. This works on 6 volt and 12 volt batteries, as I mentioned, and there's so many different options, I'm gonna have to read them off to you. So the types of batteries include lithium batteries, a LiFePO4 battery, a lead acid battery such as the AGM gel, SLA, flooded, wet, EFB, etc. type battery, even one of these little batteries that goes in a riding lawnmower. The cool thing about this is it has a little hole right here to mount, so depending on your layout, this could be mounted on the wall. From an extension standpoint, you got about from the plug to this, you have roughly 3 feet, but then you have an additional, I would say, 6 feet. So from the wall to this, 3, from this to the end pieces that plug into where they need to go to on the battery, about 6 feet. You have 2 options as far as how to connect this. You can permanently, or mostly permanently, use these attachments to bolt those. Connects via this type of connection. Or like in this example, you also have the option of using these clips that you would put on the positive and negative terminals. Very easy to use. This quick disconnect allows you to do that. So you have 3 charging options with the click of 1 button. So on this mode button, you would click 1, 2, or 3. When it's in this mode, that is the battery charging mode, and you have the 25, 50, 75, and 100% is the whole process to get your battery charged, which is what we're plugged into right now. You also then have a lithium option. So if you're plugged into a lithium battery, you have that option, and then you have a repair option. This repair option will actually help repair a battery that's been sitting for an extended period of time and it's completely drained. You press this and this will do whatever it does. I have no idea, but it will do whatever it needs to do to get the battery back into charging mode, and then we'll also charge at max capacity. Another cool feature of this, because it acts as a battery tender, is once it is charged, it will then maintain the charge. So if you're in a situation where the vehicle is maybe up and in storage and not used for an extended period of time, you could just leave it charged and ready to go, so when you get in it, you don't have to worry about the car not starting because the battery is dead. The car battery will stay juiced and ready to go. In this example, a riding lawnmower is charged, and if it's not used, depending on the season, you can keep it charged at all times, get in there, crank it up, and you're good to go because you have left it hooked up and charging. Hopefully this answers any and all questions you have about this pretty cool HTRC battery charger repair and tender. And we'll talk to you soon.